Welcome to our channel. Let's walk through the straightforward process to activate your Comerica Bank card. Successfully getting your Comerica Bank card activated is the first crucial step to accessing your banking services and managing your finances with ease. The activation process is designed to be user-friendly and secure, ensuring your card is ready for use in no time. First, make sure you have your Comerica Bank card and your personal information handy, as this will be needed to verify your identity. There are three main options to activate your card: online, by phone, or through an ATM. To activate online, visit the official Comerica Bank website and navigate to the card activation page. You will be prompted to enter your card number, security code, and other personal details. Double-check the information before submitting to avoid any errors. If you prefer activating by phone, call the Comerica Bank customer service number printed on the sticker attached to your card. Follow the automated prompts carefully and enter the required details as requested. This method is convenient if you are away from a computer or prefer talking to a representative. Activation through an ATM is also straightforward. Insert your new Comerica Bank card into a Comerica ATM and follow the on-screen instructions, which may involve entering your PIN and confirming your details. Once the activation is confirmed, you will receive a notification either on screen or through an email or text message, depending on your communication preferences. It's important to sign the back of your card immediately after activation to protect yourself against unauthorized use. In case you encounter any issues during the activation process, don't hesitate to contact Comerica Bank's customer support for assistance. They are available to help resolve any problems and ensure your card is activated smoothly. Remember, keeping your card information confidential and activating it as soon as you receive it are key steps for your financial security and convenience. By following these steps, you will have your Comerica Bank card activated and ready for purchases, withdrawals, and online transactions without delay. Don't forget to register for Comerica's online banking services for an even more comprehensive banking experience. Thank you for joining us as we guided you through this essential process, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful financial tips and tutorials.